Did you know that Earth is speeding through space at an astounding 250,000 miles per hour? It's true. And that S, just one of many mind-boggling facts about our planet's orbit that you probably didn't know. So buckle up for this journey through the solar system as we review 10 shocking facts about Earth's orbit that will make you feel like a small fish in a big pond. Don't miss this. Number 10. A year is longer than you think. Time is not constant, and a year is longer than you think. The Earth takes approximately 365.24 days to orbit the Sun once. But we only have 365 days in a year. That means that every year we are about 6 hours and 24 minutes behind schedule. That extra time adds up over the course of several years. If you travel to a place 5 time zones ahead, you'll be celebrating New Year's Eve, while it's still December where you left off. So don't forget to account for time differences when planning your intercontinental trips. 9. Gravity is not constant. Gravity is a force that keeps us grounded on Earth, and it plays a vital role in keeping Earth in its orbit around the Sun. But did you know that gravity is not constant? In fact, the gravitational pull of Earth varies depending on its location in its orbit. When Earth is closer to the Sun, its gravitational pull is stronger, which makes it move faster. As Earth moves away from the Sun, its gravitational pull weakens, which slows it down. This variation in gravitational pull is why Earth's orbit is slightly elliptical. As Earth approaches the Sun, its speed increases, and it moves closer to the Sun. As Earth moves away from the Sun, its speed decreases, and it moves farther away from the Sun. This continuous back-and-forth motion creates a never-ending cycle that keeps Earth in its orbit. Number 8. We can predict eclipses. Eclipses are breathtaking celestial events that occur when one celestial body casts a shadow on another. But did you know that we can predict eclipses with incredible accuracy? Thanks to our advanced understanding of orbital mechanics, astronomers can forecast total solar and lunar eclipses months or even years in advance. During a total solar eclipse, the moon passes between Earth and the Sun, which can only happen when the moon is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit. Lunar eclipses occur when Earth casts a shadow on the moon, and they happen when the moon is on the opposite side of Earth from the Sun. By tracking the positions of these celestial bodies, astronomers can predict with great precision when these awe-inspiring events will occur. So if you're an eclipse enthusiast, you can start planning your stargazing party well in advance. 7. We have satellites orbiting Earth. Satellites have become an integral part of modern life, providing us with everything from GPS navigation to weather forecasting. But did you know that there are thousands of satellites orbiting our planet? These man-made objects range in size from tiny research probes to massive communication satellites. They orbit Earth at various altitudes and speeds, allowing us to communicate, navigate, and observe our planet like never before. From spy satellites that gather intelligence to scientific satellites that study the Earth's atmosphere, these orbiting machines play a crucial role in our daily lives. 6 sunspots can disrupt communications. Sunspots are regions of intense magnetic activity on the Sun's surface that can have far-reaching effects on Earth. These dark, cooler areas can be larger than Earth, and they often erupt with solar flares and coronal mass ejections, which can disrupt important communication systems. During a solar storm, these eruptions can send charged particles hurtling toward Earth at speeds of up to 4,000 miles per second. When these particles reach Earth's atmosphere, it can cause widespread blackouts, disrupting critical infrastructure such as power grids, telecommunications, and GPS systems. So if you notice an increase in solar activity, it might be a good idea to stock up on batteries and canned goods just in case. 5. Earth's orbit is changing. Earth's orbit is not static, but rather a dynamic process that has been happening since the planet formed. As Earth revolves around the Sun, it is constantly bombarded by gravitational forces that are always shifting and changing. Over millions of years, these forces have caused Earth's orbit to change gradually. For example, the orbit has become more elliptical, causing the distance between Earth and the Sun to vary throughout the year. Additionally, Earth's orbit is slowly expanding, causing the planet to orbit the Sun farther away each year. While these changes are subtle and occur over long periods of time, they are significant for understanding how Earth interacts with the rest of the solar system. 4. Space junk clutters Earth's orbit. Space junk, also known as orbital debris, is a growing problem in our increasingly crowded orbit. This debris includes defunct satellites, rocket parts, and other human-made objects that have been left in space. As of 2021, there are estimated to be over 128 million pieces of debris orbiting Earth, with most of them being less than 0.4 inches in size. This debris poses a serious risk to active satellites and spacecraft, as even a small piece can cause catastrophic damage upon impact. To mitigate this risk, organizations such as the ESA and NASA are working to track and clean up space junk. But it's a daunting task considering the sheer amount of debris in orbit. Number 3. Aurora can be seen from Earth's orbit. Auroras are beautiful natural light displays that occur in the Earth's upper atmosphere. They form when charged particles from the sun interact with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. These interactions excite atmospheric gases, which then emit light. As a result, we get stunning displays of colorful auroras that can be seen from Earth's orbit. Astronauts have captured breathtaking images of these cosmic wonders, giving us a new perspective on the beauty of our planet. So if you want to witness this celestial spectacle for yourself, a trip to the poles or a high-altitude plane ride may be in order. Number 2. Stars can be seen from Earth's orbit. One of the most awe-inspiring aspects of being in Earth's orbit is the ability to witness the stars. Away from the glow of our planet's atmosphere, the night sky is filled with a breathtaking tapestry of stars that twinkle like diamonds scattered across black velvet. This view of the cosmos is humbling and inspiring, reminding us of the vastness of the universe and our small but significant place within it. Whether you're an astronaut on a space station or a scientist conducting research, seeing the stars from Earth's orbit is an experience that will stay with you forever. Number 1. Earth is closer to the sun than you think. The distance between Earth and the sun is not constant, and the planet is actually closer to the sun than you might think. On average, Earth is about 94 million miles away from the sun. But during winter in the northern hemisphere, the planet reaches its closest point to the sun. At this point, known as perihelion, Earth is only about 91.4 million miles away from the sun. However, it's important to note that this proximity does not cause extreme temperatures or drastic changes in climate. The tilt of Earth's axis and its orbit shape have more significant effects on our planet's climate. In conclusion, our planet's orbit is truly a remarkable phenomenon, from its varying gravitational pull to its changing distance from the sun. Earth's orbit is a dynamic and awe-inspiring process that allows life to thrive. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this amazing aspect of our planet. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.